Hi everybody, we're back again, and this time I'm doing an experiment. Down at Food Line, our grocery store, they've had caramel popcorn in big old containers, and I got one, and I love popcorn anyway, and the nuts, but it was very good, but it was too sweet. So we're going to try today to make caramel popcorn and kind of take out some of the sugar out of it, but leave all the goodies inside. So let me show you what we got to put in. First of all, I have already cooked my popcorn. I've got popcorn, I've got pistachios, if you can see that or not, and we have got almonds, and I have put in some pistachios in here. So this is the mix. This is what we're going to add the caramel sauce to. Okay, we're going to put this aside. Now, the base of caramel sauce is brown sugar and corn syrup. I'm forgetting what I got. Corn syrup. And I mean, they're talking about sweet. It's sweet. So, but I am going to do, and also it's got butter and some baking soda. Not much. Let me see if I can turn it. Baking soda. There's the baking soda. It's about a teaspoon, maybe a tablespoon of that. And vanilla flavoring. Hold on, I gotta get that. Hey, sweetie. Okay, there's our vanilla flavoring. Vanilla flavoring and the baking soda we add at the very end. The corn syrup and the actually we're going with light brown sugar. This is light. Actually, it's a keto light brown sugar. So this is for people that are diabetic, which is good. And I've already poured out like almost a half a cup of corn syrup. And that I haven't found. I don't know if I've got light here or not. I do. It's light. Here we go. It's light corn syrup or Karo syrup, but it is light. So that, okay. So let's get the stove going, and let's put in, I said we got like a half a cup of light brown sugar. Let's put that in. May have to add some more. And then we got not quite a half a cup of Karo syrup. Let me turn it where you can see what I'm doing. It's really a very easy recipe. But like I said, when you buy it commercially, it is just so sweet. So we're going to mix this up. Can you see me? We're going to mix this up, and it will turn into, it gets caramel. You know what caramel sauce is, like a brownie color. And I'm also going to throw in a whole stick of unsalted butter. So I'm telling you what, it's going to be good, I hope. If not, I know where the trash can is, which that's happened. So, alright, let's get this going. Let's move this out of the way. Okay. And this has got to turn into syrup and cook for about 5 minutes, 4 or 5 minutes to get it thick. But be sure you've got your popcorn close by, because when this is ready to go, it hardens up fast. So you need to get it on your popcorn quickly, very quickly. And after you stir it, don't worry about it if you don't stir and get all the kernels covered, because we're going to stick it in the oven at 350 for about 5 minutes, maybe 10 minutes. I think it's 10 minutes. And we let it get warm again, let the sauce get warm again. We bring it out and stir it up, get some more kernels covered. Put it back in the oven for another 5 minutes. And if you still got some popcorn that needs to be covered, we bring it out, stir it up, and put it back in for another 5 minutes. And then the oven's ready. And so then we'll be ready to go. And I'm going to show you when we add this baking soda in, It's going to bubble up, but don't worry about it. Just keep stirring. And then you can add your vanilla flavor in, stir it, and you're done. That's it. There is nothing else to do to it. Just let it harden up and then crack them apart. But I love that popcorn, but I just can't take the sugar content that's in the commercial type. So this has still got a lot of sugar, but not as bad as what they sell on the market. And I don't know, it's melted, and you can see it's beginning to bubble. I'll get the baking soda ready when it's ready. See it bubbling up? Isn't that pretty? It's turning into caramel sauce. You know, you get caramel sauce and put over ice cream and stuff like that. There you go. I'm cutting the heat down. Because it's really bubbling. Like I said, now when you add that baking soda, it's going to bubble up, foam up. That's what it's foaming. It's going to foam up and keep stirring. If you have to, I kind of lift my pot up off the eye, give it a break. Looking good. Okay, here we go with the baking soda. You see it bubbling? You see it foaming up? That's what it's supposed to do. Let it foam. Alright, we're going to put in some vanilla flavoring. About a teaspoonful. Keep stirring. Okay, let me move some of this stuff aside and see if I can get the popcorn over here. Hold on. Okay, here's the popcorn. Wow, that looks good. Okay, here's some popcorn. We're going to pour it in there. And stir, stir, stir. Okay. And stir. Just keep stirring. I want to get the bowl hot. Looks like it's covering pretty good. There's still some spots in there. Don't worry about it though. Put it in the oven. When that syrup gets warm again, you can keep stirring the popcorn. And if you like more nuts, add anything. I went through, because we like nuts. So I got the almonds and the cashews and some pistachios. And I was looking at putting some walnuts and pecans in it, but Bert said he really didn't want that, so I left them out. And we had sunflower seeds and pumpkin seeds, but I thought, okay, let's just go simple this time. Honestly, it looks good. It's covering really well. So let's put it on the stick. I got a really happy cat. I'm ignoring her. She's mine. I'm ignoring her and she's not happy. She'll be okay. Okay. Now I'm going to stick this in the oven, probably for about 10 minutes. Gosh, it looks good. Can you see that? It looks fantastic. Like I said, at the grocery stores, theirs is just too sweet. So we got to do better. And if this is still too sweet, we'll experiment and back it off some more. Okay. Okay, let's get this in the oven and see how it tastes. It's got a good flavor. Actually, I've had another request to make another batch because this is going out, which we'll probably do that tomorrow. But try it. This is Linda's caramel popcorn, and I think you'll enjoy it. Look at that nut. Perfection. Okay, thanks for watching. Please subscribe, share our channel, and thumb up. And send us some comments. Remember, all of it's free. It doesn't cost a thing to become a fan or a member. Not a member, but a subscriber for us. We appreciate it. Okay, thanks a lot. We love you. Be safe. Bye.